ACCA was my aim, mainly CA, Chartered Accountancy was my aim right from the beginning.
Bright future in accounts.
So you can save time also. Like if you go for a degree, it will take 4 years. For example, if you go for engineering, that also it will take 4 years. For medical, it will take 5 years. So for ACCAs, within 3 years you can finish it off, and you'll get a certificate as well as a degree at Oxford Brookes degree.
My father is also a chartered accountant.
The research I did was on to find the best qualification in the shortest period of time. And I had the best option that I had was ACCA, which provides me the world-class qualification in the shortest time, which is about minimum of 2.5 years.
So if I would have chosen management studies, they would just specify about management. In ACCA, they teach us about everything.
ACCA itself provides the management.
It covers a wide range of topics, and I felt if I was not confident in managing a business, then maybe I can even move to accountancy, and for that ACCA would give me a better choice than management courses.
I have already done BS in Statistics and Operational Research, and I believe in that doing ACCA is much more useful than doing any MBA degree because it is more professional, and I think that accounting is the perfect choice for those who want to be successful and looking for the best career choice.
When you're on your way to become a professional, you can earn a bachelor's degree after the 9th paper.
It's a complete package which anyone can have.
I did BBA, so instead of continuing with MBA, which would be more like BBA itself, I wanted to go into accounts as a field.
So if I would have chosen management studies, they would just specify about management. In ACCA, they teach us about everything. First of all, we have to listen to the lectures.
Interest mainly.
Attending classes and mock, and especially doing mock exams.
Practice, lots of practice, and continuous studying rather than studying at one end during the exam. A continuous flow of study helps you.
We have to be very attentive in the class.
You should not only work hard, not only work hard, but study smart.
You just need to be passionate about ACCA.
Regular attendance at classes, mock exams, lots of practice.
We get to share more culture and more nationalities and everything out there.
I really enjoy being here almost all the time.
It's definitely one of the best coachings I have received because I have been in more than one centers, different coaching centers for ACCA, and PMTC has definitely been the best.
All papers I attempted at PMTC I have cleared in the first attempt.
In PMTC, we are getting whatever we want to achieve complete exam and career success.
Why I'm still here is because of the support that the teachers give.
They're very interactive, you're very free to ask questions to.
We have 3 different timings for the classes: the morning session, afternoon or evening session. So I've been picking evening session and I come out in the morning.
They do change their timings for.
Many institutes, the classes are only in the morning, whereas at PMTC I get the option to attend evening classes. It's quite flexible for me.
We have flexible timings. We have morning and evening classes, and they are really useful.
They're in the evening timing, and I'm not the sort of person who can handle morning classes because I feel sleepy. And in the evening, when you're fresh, you're.
Well, I'm here to learn, and I am enjoying learning new stuff every day.
The ambience that has been created, though it is a professional institute, it's very friendly. You do feel like coming over here, and you don't feel much of the pressure of a professional qualification. That's only inside the classroom.
It is very interesting to learn about the rules and regulations and everything. So it is kind of interesting. So you get to learn about new things, and then when you watch news, you feel good that you understand the laws and rules of the world, and you can communicate with the world, I guess.
Sitting around and table tennis. I learned table tennis and playing football and enjoying matches and guys play.
Well, atmosphere is very friendly, so that is very important to me.
Actually, the whole time, yeah.
Yes, the networking possibilities at PMTC have definitely helped me along the way when I was doing my ACCA.
The friends we meet.
You don't have to be shy or anything. It's really friendly. Yeah.
In our classes itself, we tend to meet professionals, people who work and study.
It is amazing. It's really amazing.
You can say it's your second home, as you said, your school, that is your second home.
PMTC is very active on social media such as Facebook, YouTube, Twitter.
I have seen that there's been a wide range of cultures, a mixture of cultures that I've seen from different students coming in.
Better than any other institute.
Though ACCA is a very serious studies, but we do take time out for the other activities as well, and that's one of the best things out here.
Playing football together, volleyball, having cricket matches set up, and then we're playing all together.
As we went to Musandam Island previous year, and
the students have got really addicted over here, and I'm one of them. Yes, I agree.
Oh yeah. We did have a lot of trips in PMTC every semester. At least once we went for a field trip, and we went to Ferrari World, and then we had gone for Musandam Islands. So that was really nice. It was a good experience to go out with your friends once in a semester at least.
PMTC organizes football on the weekend.
Table tennis.
Well, PMTC has provided us with the common room. We have table tennis in there. We have foosball. Recently there was a football match between the teachers and the students that we attended as well.
Most of them are at least ACC qualified, and some of them are even CFA and CA qualified.
Also provide a personal experience, which I find is more valuable than what is given in the books.
They come up to your level, the teachers, and they help you.
I joined PMTC for its excellent coaching and the amazing faculty that they have here. So I wouldn't be exaggerating if I say that I owe my whole of this passing.
They have never said no, like no, we cannot do this right now because we're very busy.
Sirs, they do manage according to that. They can help you out in extra times if you miss any of the classes.
The most I enjoy in PMTC is the way the teachers teach.
We do have one-to-one sessions as well, so they do take into consideration every individual class, the students, thoughts and experiences and everything. So that's one great thing.
They share with us the practical experiences.
Even at the last moment, if you're stuck somewhere, they will always help you out.
I live in Sharjah. It's very convenient for me. Plus, it's also convenient for my friends who live in Dubai because it's just connected to the metro.
And we have a metro station right in our doorsteps. And the hard route connects directly to PMTC, so there's no problem whatsoever for students.
It's a very convenient location. We can reach within the normal time. And it's located in a place where we have metro facilities and other buses facilities.
The metro, even the bus stations are nearby. And even from other cities,